So welcome and thank you for your interest in the CPSM Instructor Qualification Workshop. At this seminar, we're going to be demonstrating and teaching you some of the best practices within education and association fields, such as adult learning theories and models, and also emotional intelligence. One of the values that we have with your being a participant in this workshop is actually your experience as a CPSM certified individual. You have the opportunity to help individuals through the experience that you have gone through. One of the things that they really struggle with is the test anxiety. And you're going to be able to help them kind of understand what they're up against within the 3 different exams, the volume of content, and the opportunity to kind of learn from your experience on how do you manage your time and manage the content. Once you've completed the workshop, you're going to receive the 2018 ISM CPSM courseware. Within this courseware, you're going to receive PowerPoint decks that cover the content within each of the 3 exams. You're going to receive student worksheets that help them summarize some of the key points that you're getting through within each one of these workshops. You'll receive a series of questions and answers that you can provide mini practice exams, and you're going to receive case studies. So you can then build your customized, personalized workshop to help these students get through the experience. We look forward to you participating in this workshop and continuing to move the profession forward and your commitment to excellence. Thank you.